2014 Nissan Maxima. Driver side, low beam headlight replacement. As y'all can see, it started raining, so give me a second. I'm gonna turn you back on, and I kind of share how to change this light bulb. Okay, gang. 2014 Nissan Maxima. This is the before. As you can see right now, she getting ready to turn her headlights on. Okay, that's one side, and this is the driver's side. So the reason for me to make this video, it'll help anyone who got a 2014 Nissan Maxima. I don't know what the year models they run with, but this is how you install the low beam bulb. So right here, between the fender wall, you got just this one little clamp right here that I moved. So this is the tool that I'm using to remove it. So I got that out of there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go between here, right here, and I'm gonna pull the plastic out. Let me grab this out of there. It's a little hard, y'all, but we're gonna get it done. And right inside, show you. Right inside, right. Well, once you look in here, it's got a little knob, which I'm gonna pull out and show y'all. The camera was kind of fogging up because of the car was running. So I'm gonna pull this out, and what you want to do is turn it to the left of yourself, and it'll unscrew. You see it say open left, and it got lock right. So right here, and it's also got two clamps. I have already removed the clamps from the lights, but it's kind of hard for me to show you the clamps in there. But once you get it open, you'll see the clamps in there. All you do is push them in. One on the right side, push it over, push it in, push it over, and on the left side, push it in and push it to the left, and you'll be able to remove the light itself. So let me show y'all. So you don't want to open your light from the top. Try to always open your light from the bottom, unless you're using gloves or anything like that, because if you get a fingerprint on there, it'll blow the light out. So grab it from the back right here, and which this is the how the light made. It's a LED light, I mean a HID light, and pretty much this is how it's made. For this car, this is the part number for the HID light she's using. So all I'm gonna do is just stick it in there. I'm gonna set it dead off in the middle of it and make sure it's center. So what I do is keep turning it till I feel that it's center. Take your time, guys, because it's really not no rush. So I feel that it's centered. Okay, hold up, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the hood right quick. The little pins I was telling y'all about, you got to push in. You want to make sure you get them out your way and just let it fold down. And then you take the light and you make sure it's centered. Anybody could do this. This is my first time doing it. I didn't watch a video to do it. Just kind of figure it out on my own. So I know if I did it, you can. But make sure you got that the clamp on both sides in there, because you don't want your light shaking while you're riding down the road. So make sure you get it in there flush like it's supposed to be. Make sure you get it in there flush. Okay. Now I got both sides locked in there. It's tight. And it's got a metal cap. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's got a metal cap right here. All you gotta do is push it on there and screw it back to the right. This is the cap. Remember, left is the open, right is the lock. And yo, kind of leave this hanging down towards the bottom way, down the ground to the ground. And also make sure you get this on there airtight. So sometimes you have to move it around a little bit, but you want it on there airtight. That way you don't have no water leaks. And then with this here, all you do is push it back in here, just like that. Line your hole up after you pull the clamp out a little bit. Okay, y'all. Just a little issue. Just want to make sure everything's squeezed right. Okay, got it squeezed right, and just push it in, and that locks it in. So let's check the headlights out now. As you can see, we got them on, and they both matching. So I hope this video helped any one of you guys who have a 2014 Nissan Maxima and trying to do their own bulbs change instead of going and paying the dealership $400-500 to do it. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn your notification bell on. That way you'll be in touch every time I drop a video. Peace out, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.